patch, patch. To fix or repair something, especially when it is broken or damaged. I patched my clothes. I patched my clothes. He is patching his fence in the yard. He is patching his fence in the yard. A small piece of material or area that is different from the rest. There are 3 patches on worn-out clothes. There are 3 patches on worn-out clothes. Wander, wander. To walk or move around without a clear purpose or direction. We are wandering in the park. We are wandering in the park. Encounter, encounter. To meet or come across someone or something. I encountered my neighbor at the park. I encountered my neighbor at the park. To experience or face a problem or challenge. I encountered some problems. I encountered some problems. Suppress, suppress. To hold back or control emotions, actions, or reactions. I tried to suppress my anger to avoid an argument. I tried to suppress my anger to avoid an argument. To end something by force, stop, control, or prevent. The police suppressed civil workers. The police suppressed civil workers. Saw, saw. To rise or go up very high, usually in the air, it can also mean to increase quickly. The rocket is soaring into the sky. The rocket is soaring into the sky. Bloom, bloom. The state or period of flowering. These flowers bloomed in the morning. These flowers bloomed in the morning. Retrieve, retrieve. To get something back or bring something back from a place. My dog must go and retrieve the bone. My dog must go and retrieve the bone. Compress. Compress. To press or squeeze something to make it smaller or to make something shorter. You need to compress the clothes in the suitcase to fit them. You need to compress the clothes in the suitcase to fit them. Misplace. Misplace. To put something in the wrong place and lose it temporarily. I misplaced my reading glass. I can't find it. I misplaced my reading glass. I can't find it. Despise. Despise. To strongly dislike or hate someone or something. I despise this food. I despise this food. Obliterate. Obliterate. To completely destroy, remove or wipe out something so that nothing is left. The building was obliterated by the missile. The building was obliterated by the missile. Summon. Summon. To call someone to come to you or to request something formally. He summoned the genie from the bottle. He summoned the genie from the bottle.